I have a new batch of blind bags to open. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so a few details first. When I get blind bags, I get them from eBay. I do have a blog post that details, complete with screenshots, how I go about what I put into the search parameters to get the right thing. And I will try to remember to link that in the blog post for today's video. So let's open this up while I talk about when I ordered this and what I paid and everything. So I ordered these on November 1st. They were expected to be delivered between December 1st and January 26th. They actually came November 25th, so they came ahead of schedule. This package was labeled as supermarket, and I paid $2.29 Canadian. I'm not sure how much that was US, but it was less. So around $2 for these, under $3 at the most. So here's what we have. So I'm going to pull one up at a time and open them up, and we'll see what we got. All right, our first victim here. And I don't think I've ever had any with this packaging, which was what attracted me. I wanted something different. So we have a very oversized, flat-backed lollipop. Now, a lot of people don't like these when they're doing the Dollhouse ones. They can be used to make artwork or to make signs and things like that. Or they could be like a cake. If you were doing a bakery, they could be one of those fancy cakes that people make that look like other things. So let's see what the next one is. All right, number 2. Let's see what we got now. I think it's the same thing. I think we're going to have 2 in a row, the exact same. Yep, we have 2 of the exact same thing in a row. And I am not looking at the back of these. I have them laying off the side. I'm just grabbing the top ones. So not looking good as far as repeats on things I don't want to repeat on. Let's see what number 3 is. All right, this one feels different. Yeah, it's definitely a different color. It's a different shape. So let's see what we got. Okay, another very similar though. It's a little popsicle. Again, it could be used as a sign. It could be used for things like that. Let's see what we get next. All right, number 4. Let's see what we got for number 4. So far, I'm not really happy with this group, and I probably won't do these again. Okay, this could be a cake. It would be kind of a cute little cake. Other than that, I really don't see much use for it, except maybe on a sign or on artwork. So let's see what's next. All right, I believe this is number 5, so this will put us half ahead. It's the same kind of thing, but a different variation. Yeah, supermarket is not a good choice for things that you're going to use very much. So basically the same thing. Let's see what number 6 is. All right, number 6. It's flat-backed again. I can tell all of these are going to be flat-backed cabochon type things that you can use to decorate stuff. That I can see making a really cute little sign for a little fast food place though. But again, not what we're really looking for. All right, let's see what this one is. All right, and now this one is another one that could be a little cake. And it could actually be used just the way it is. It could be put into a bakery case or just on a cake plate, and it would pass as a miniature cake. So we got 2 of them we could use that way easily. Let's see what's next. All right, number 7, I believe. Yeah, interesting. Okay, so this batch I am not really thrilled with, but it's usable. We'll figure something out over time. And this one from the outside of the packaging looks and feels suspiciously exactly like the last one. Oh, no, it's a little different. Not much. It says Charco. It would be cute as a candy store sign that I can see, or maybe we can mount these on like on a framed work of art and make them look like some kind of cool artwork. That might be a good project. We'll see what the last one is. All right, number 10. And what does that say? Sunny. Now actually I am going to save this one. I'm going to make myself a note, and I'm going to use this when we do our summer cactus themed porch decor, because I'll figure out some way to use this in that. Let me gather everything up together so we can see all of it together, and we'll talk about what we got. All right, here is our final haul as it may be. Out of the 10, these two I think will make cute little cakes. I don't think they really even need anything done to them. Some of these others could be a cake, like this could be a cake. This could be a cake easily, maybe that one. This could maybe be a pillow on a bed. It could be kind of cute. This one I'm relatively excited about because I think I can use that come summertime when we do our cactus themed porch decor. I have a couple of ideas already swimming around in my brain of how I could use that piece in something for that. Overall, yeah, supermarket, I'm not going to order a supermarket theme set again. Be sure and check the blog post. There will be photos of each item. I will also try to do my best to remember to put the link to the blog post that talks about, with screenshots, exactly how I find these on eBay. It's still fun, even if I'm not going to use many of these. It was cheap. It's cheap fun. Let's put it that way. If you like the video, be sure and hit the like button. Leave me a comment. Are there any ideas you have for how to use some of these? If you enjoy my content and haven't subscribed, I encourage you hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you know when I put up a new video. Thank you very much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.